What's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got the Ryobi PCL206 cordless drill. So we're just going to go through the features of this drill and show you how to install a drill bit and just what the different settings are. So yeah, we'll get into it. To remove the battery, you just press this button and it pops out. And then to reinstall, put it into place and it clips right in. And then this button right here, that's your forward and reverse. And then when it's halfway in between, that locks your trigger. And then we have here, you can see this is a 2-speed drill. So 1 would be your low speed, 2 would be your high speed. And then we also have, these are the torque settings. So you can see right here, it's on the lowest torque, which is 1. And then as you go up, this would be for drilling in for larger screws. And then going all the way up, heavier drilling, even heavier drilling. And then this setting right here, that would be for your heaviest drilling. And then here's your keyless chuck. You can see as this rotates, that clamps down. So then you would just clamp that down, put your bit in, tighten it, good to go. And then to remove it, you just loosen, take it right out. So yeah guys, that's the Ryobi PCL206 cordless drill. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe to this channel and be sure to check out one of my short videos where I put this up against my my DeWalt cordless drill. So yeah, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.